Editing a pull request in Bitbucket allows you to make adjustments or add additional details to the PR after it has been created. Here's how to do it. Access the pull request. Log into Bitbucket. Visit Bitbucket and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the repository. Go to the repository where the pull request was created. Find the pull request. Click on the Pull Requests tab in the left sidebar to view all pull requests. Select the pull request. Click on the pull request you want to edit from the list to open its details. Edit the pull request. Edit description or title. On the pull request page, you can edit the description or title directly if you have the necessary permissions. Look for the edit button or pencil icon near the title or description. Update commit changes. If you need to update the code in the PR, make the changes in your local branch and push them. The pull request will automatically update with the new commits. Add reviewers or comments. You can add or remove reviewers and update comments by navigating to the appropriate sections on the PR page. Save changes. Save or apply edits. Ensure you save any changes to the title or description by confirming the edit.